Need to watch YouTube while texting, browsing, or checking emails? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable picture-in-picture on Android so your videos keep playing in a floating window. Picture-in-picture PIP lets you continue watching YouTube videos in a small floating window while you browse the web, reply to messages, or use other apps. It's a convenient multitasking feature that keeps your video visible without interrupting what you're doing. Before you begin, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. First, open the YouTube applications. Tap your profile picture or the U tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner to open the app's settings menu. From the list of settings, select Playback. Scroll until you find the picture-in-picture option. If the feature is available for your account and device, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Once enabled, the YouTube app is ready to use picture-in-picture mode. Now, play any supported YouTube video. After the video starts playing, simply swipe up to return to your home screen or use the home gesture button. If picture-in-picture is supported, the video will automatically shrink into a small floating window. You can drag this mini player to any corner of your screen, resize it on supported devices, or tap it to access playback controls such as play, pause, or close. Keep in mind that YouTube's picture-in-picture availability depends on your region and account. In many regions, mobile PIP and background playback require an active YouTube Premium subscription, although some non-music content may support PIP without premium in eligible countries. That's it. You can now enjoy YouTube videos in picture-in-picture mode while using other apps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.